Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN). The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN) and the Satcom Industry Association of India (SIA India) have jointly released comprehensive guidelines for cyber security across the country's space ecosystem. About Indian Computer Emergency Response Team (CERT-IN). It is the national nodal agency for responding to computer security incidents as and when they occur. It is a functional organization of the Ministry of Information and Electronics Technology, Government of India. Objective securing Indian cyberspace. CERT-IN has been operational since January 2004. The constituency of CERT-IN is the Indian Cyber Community. CERT-IN has been designated under Section 70B of the Information Technology Act 2000 to serve as the national agency to perform the following functions in the area of cybersecurity: collection, analysis and dissemination of information on cyber incidents, forecast and alert of cybersecurity incidents, emergency measures for handling cybersecurity incidents, coordination of cyber incident response activities, issues guidelines, advisory, vulnerability notes and white papers relating to information security practices, procedures, prevention, response and reporting of cyber incidents. Such other functions relating to cyber security as may be prescribed. To perform these functions, CERT-IN is empowered to call for information and issue direction to service providers, intermediaries, data centers, body corporates and any other person. CERT-IN provides service to organizations in the government, public and private sector. In addition, CERT-IN provides services to individuals and home users as well. CERT-IN collaborates with international counterparts to share information regarding emerging threats, vulnerabilities and malware. CERT-IN creates awareness on security issues through dissemination of information on its website and operates a 24/7 incident response help desk. Disclosure of information will be followed in accordance with Indian constitutional laws. To ensure effective governance, a review committee oversees CERT-IN operation. This committee includes but is not limited to representatives from various government ministries such as Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Telecommunication, Ministry of Home Affairs, Group Coordinator for Cyber Law and E-Security. The committee meets regularly to assess CERT-IN performance and provide strategic direction. About Satcom Industry Association of India. The Satcom Industry Association of India is a non-profit body representing India's space and satellite sectors. Its members include satellite operators, manufacturers, startups, academia and legal firms working to shape policy and promote global collaboration.